Write the letter A.
That's pretty cursive-y.
You do it again?
Draw Grandma an A. You gotta put the line across.
What is this?
Yeah.
That's
a sideways. Wow, you're talented. You are gonna be just, you can write with both hands and sideways.
You do it again? Letter A? Very good. Do it again. Very good. One more time.
Letter A.